If you have trouble squatting, you can always squat on a bench or on a step or on a box or on a chair. A regular bodyweight squat is up and down. The only difference is now I have my kettlebell and I'm gonna brace myself as I come down. So I want you to imagine like there's a hole where my feet are and I'm pulling myself down with tension and I'm driving out of it. I'm gonna pull and drive out of it. So you want to really imagine like someone's pulling you down and you gotta get out of it. You gotta go. The goblet squat is one of the most universal recognized exercise. It's so great because all your tension, everything is in the front part of the body. Your glutes are having to work, your quads are going to have to work, but it's a lot different than doing a back squat because everything is in the front, everything's in the core. My posture, back squat, a little bit different, a lot safer here. Start here, try a goblet squat, really great exercise.